Imagine drowning in feedback from surveys, reviews, and support tickets, but missing the critical insights that could transform your design. Manual analysis is slow, fragmented, and error prone, leaving UX designers, front end developers, product managers, and customer experience leads stuck in spreadsheets instead of solving problems. This skill automates the grind with natural language processing. Sentiment analysis detects frustration or delight in open text. Theme clustering identifies recurring pain points using LDA models. A React powered dashboard visualizes trends in real time, and API integrations pull data directly from SurveyMonkey, Zendesk, or Google Forms. No more late night coding marathons, just actionable insights served fresh. Here's what's inside the Building Customer Feedback Analyzer skill. It starts with emotion detection, not just positive, negative, but specific feelings like confusion or excitement in user comments. Theme clustering uses TF IDF and cosine similarity to group similar issues across platforms. The dashboard offers drag and drop widgets built with Chart.js and D3.js for granular filtering. Pre-built API connectors sync with Typeform, Intercom, and Jira. You'll get Python scripts for training custom NLP models and JSON templates for deploying serverless functions. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn chaos into clarity. Your users and stakeholders will thank you. Installing the Building Customer Feedback Analyzer skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-customer feedback-analyzer. That's it. You'll download the complete skill, expert level guidance, battle tested Python scripts, and React components ready to customize. No config files. Just open Claude Code and start querying feedback trends immediately. Your AI assistant now knows how to train sentiment models, map themes, and generate API docs automatically. No PhD in data science required. From chaos to clarity in 60 seconds. Now go make your users love your product and your boss love your metrics.